Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Nothing to Pay Out. So, this one's gonna be a short one because I didn't take any trades. There was no opportunity for me to take a trade. So, it's not like I missed an opportunity or I missed a trade. It's more of there was nothing there, nothing worse, nothing worth the risk. So, I didn't end up taking anything. And I just want to take it into what did I take from these 2 days of not taking a trade and this like streak of I think it's been 3 days where I haven't taken a trade. And it's like it's more about the patience that opportunities will come, and it's not this is not a reason to start forcing stuff and that the strategy doesn't work. And I read this book called Market Wizards. It's like a whole series, and I have some like quotes of what, not quotes, but passages of what some successful traders say, and I'll just read them out. And I have three of them. So the first one is, what matters most is not how you respond when you make a mistake, miss a trade, or take a significant loss. If you respond poorly, you will just make more mistakes. Now, what does that mean? It's more, it's pretty self-explanatory, but let me elaborate. It's more about what your response is to what happens, not about what actually happens. So it's not the outcome, it's your response to the outcome. So you could make a mistake, you could miss a trade, or you could just have a no trade. There was no trade to take, so you don't take a trade. And it's how do you respond? Do you say, okay, I'm gonna be patient and stick with what my strategy says, or am I gonna go into the next trading day and be like, well, I didn't take a trade for the past 3 days, so I gotta force something because I'm doing something wrong, right? So it's not that, like, for me, let's say in my situation right now, it's I gotta be patient. Stick to being patient, following the strategy, and if an opportunity presents itself, then take it. If it doesn't, then you step back and you move on to the next day. That's just what it is. Another one is, it is what you don't do that counts. Patience is the key word. Successful trading is the art of doing nothing. It is what you don't do between the real trade opportunities that will determine your success over the long run. So again, same as the first point, it's what you don't do that counts. So it's you do the right things and you don't do the wrong things. So yes, do the right things, follow the strategy, be patient, be confident, etc. But it's also important to keep in mind what you don't do. Don't make the same mistakes. Don't overtrade. Don't force a trade. It's the things that you don't do that also leads to your success in trading. And the third one is, you don't have to make money right away. Sometimes not losing is just as important as winning. Risk taking with a process leads to success, while risk taking on impulse leads to regret. You have to be willing to take the risk when the opportunity presents itself, but not taking a risk where the reward doesn't outweigh the risk. Again, I'm still at like this process of I'm slowly trying to like just be better as a trader. Money, obviously, it's everyone wants to make money right away, but I'm looking at more of the skill set rather than the money, because I know the money is going to be a side effect of being good at this skill set. So for me, it's like I'm not focused on, okay, I need to make money right away. I need to make $10,000 this month or whatever. It's like I just want to be better every day and not lose. So the more I don't lose, the more I win, the better get at this skill of trading, the more money I'm gonna make in the end. And that's my ideology of how I'm going through this process. And you could take it, you could see it a different way. You could see it as I just want to make money and that's all I'm here for, which is fine. That's how I started, right? That's how usually everyone starts this journey. But for me, I've really transitioned to a thought process of I just want to be better every day, day in, day out. And I know, especially with trading, and I think it goes with anything, that the better you get at something, money is just gonna come, especially if the skill is something that people could pay for or you can make money with. Because you could have a skill of, honestly, anything is tangible in terms of money. You could be good at playing the guitar and people pay you, you know. But yeah, so the whole idea of like these 2 days was just be patient and continue to be patient, because something that I've gone through in the past is I've gone through like a few days of taking no trades, and then the next day I just start forcing something because I'm like, well, I got to do something. And it's like, but no, being patient is doing something. Not doing something is still doing something. And not taking that, not forcing those trades, not over trading the next day after a long period of no trades is what will lead you to more success in the future. And that's what I'll leave you guys with today. I'll see you guys from on Sunday when I post the Wednesday to Friday trades. If I take any again, we'll see what happens. The month of June and July have been choppy. Like if you look at the daily chart, it's been in a range, to be honest. So we'll see how it goes the rest of the month, and I'll pop up my my account balance to show you that I actually didn't take a trade, because it's all about transparency this series. So yeah, so this is it. This is the account balance. And yeah, so that's how I'm gonna leave you guys off here. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what if you guys took any trades. Maybe I missed something. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.